CapCut transition tutorial, how to add transition in your video. So guys, I'll be explaining to you how you can add transitions like this in your video. So without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead and start our video. As you can see guys, this is already done, so I'll go ahead and just split this section. Let's split this section guys. So I'll split this section. So this is a plain section where there's no transition. And then we'll look for this place. Let's also click on split to where, yeah, split, and then we'll delete this. We'll also delete this guys. So as you can see, there's not much transition here, so we'll go ahead, we want to add transition here. So the first step to do is just click on the white button between the videos you want to add transition to. So I'm going to do another example here. Let's delete this. Let's add a picture. So example, I want to add this picture here. So let's make this fit our screen. Let's zoom this. Okay, so guys, as you can see, so we have 3 places to add transition. So go ahead and click on the white button. When you click on the white button, it's going to automatically appear, so the transition will appear. So has to do this. As you can see, you can use the blank frame. I love to use this mix, but we can also use this. So it has to do with, yeah, you just have to try it out and see which one is really good for you. It has to do with, so I like, I like this. It has to do with, so let's use this. So click on done. So as you can see guys, our transition is done. So you can also adjust the timing. So I can go ahead and adjust the seconds of this happening. So let's adjust it. Yeah, so here it is guys. You can also do for this. So we can do the mix. So our clip is too short, so I can increase this. So this is how to add transition on CapCut. As you can see guys, it's very basic. It's very basic. So you just click on the white button. When you click on the white button, you pick on your transition or the transition you want to add. So as you can see, we have a smooth or smoother transition here. So that's it for today. If this video is really helpful to you guys, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.